A dangerous supercell thunderstorm unleashed destructive weather across northeastern Poland on the 6th of August 2026, producing giant hail, violent winds, torrential rain, and even reports of a landspout. The most severe damage was reported around Lubomino in the Warmia-Mazury region, where enormous hailstones measuring an estimated 9-10 centimeters fell from the sky, shattering windows, damaging vehicles, crushing roofs, and devastating crops within minutes. As the powerful supercell continued its path, it pushed toward Kętrzyn, Giżycko, Węgorzewo, Elk, Suwałki, Augustów, Sejny, and the Wigry Lake region, threatening more communities with destructive hail and severe winds. Meteorologists warned that hailstones larger than 6-8 centimeters are capable of causing catastrophic property damage, breaking rooftops, smashing windshields, and destroying outdoor infrastructure. New footage from Lubomino and Węgorzewo captured streets blanketed with giant hail as the storm intensified. Near Orneta, additional supercells dropped hail, measuring 6-7 centimeters, leaving damaged buildings, battered farmland, and dented vehicles in their wake.
Nigdy czegoś takiego nie widziałam.
Other powerful storm cells also affected Elbląg, Bytów, and Kozienice, expanding the zone of dangerous weather. Meanwhile, near Małe Walichnowy, in the Pomeranian Voivodeship, observers captured a rare landspout spinning across open ground, highlighting the remarkable intensity and instability of the atmosphere. Authorities urged residents to remain indoors, avoid unnecessary travel, and prepare for rapidly changing weather conditions as the supercell complex continued moving across eastern Poland. With giant hail, damaging winds, and rotating storms still developing, forecasters warned that additional severe weather could strike before conditions finally improve.
Lavoro.